Hello and welcome to Einstein 101, a series of tutorials about the Einstein Learning Platform. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the Einstein LabMate Plus, a fully portable, wireless data collection device equipped with 6 built-in sensors capable of connecting to almost any computer or tablet. To use the LabMate, you'll first need to install either MultiLab 4 on your PC or MyLab on your tablet. Your LabMate can work with your device wirelessly via Bluetooth. To pair your LabMate with your device, consult your LabMate manual. When properly paired, the LED should be blinking blue interspersed with green. If you are working on a desktop computer, you also have the option of working with the LabMate Plus plugged into your device via a USB cable. This is also the most common way of charging the battery. To start working with your LabMate, make sure the LabMate is on with the green LED light blinking. Now launch one of the Einstein software applications, such as MultiLab 4, MyLab, or Einstein World. In MyLab, if the LabMate is paired properly, you'll see an indication on the main screen. Note that the last 4 digits of the LabMate serial number found on the bottom of the LabMate are visible. This is useful in a lab environment where more than one LabMate is in operation to ensure that you are communicating with the correct device. In MultiLab 4, if the LabMate is paired properly, you'll see the list of sensors in the current setup window. To add external sensors, plug one end of the sensor cable into one of the ports labeled 1, 2, 3, or 4, and the other into the external sensor. Note, some external sensors are equipped with a built-in cable. Other older sensors may require an extra adapter to plug into the LabMate. For more information on how to use specific sensors or other Einstein apps, please check out our other tutorials available on the Einstein YouTube channel.